All right. Now let's have a look at the most common chart type you would see in any report, which are the bar chart and the line chart. So click on the bar chart and you would be presented with the default bar chart. Let's have a look at the bar chart from the products table, right? So it gives me a category wise row count. Let's change the row count to unit price. And let's then sort bars by value. So it gives me a good display of all the categories sorted by the highest unit price, and you see there are no labels. So what I would do is go to properties, go to labels and show labels for all, and let's have it only for the complete bars, right? So it would give me a very good representation. That's how I want. Let's say I only want to see the top five categories. I would go to properties, show hide items, add a rule where value access values show only top five. Okay, so it gives me a good display of the top five categories where the sum of unit price is the highest, sorted by highest from lowest. Neat view. Let's look at further down the properties. Properties are available. You have seen how do you show hide items. You can choose what are the colors you want to show. Let's say you want to show for all values, let's say green, it would give green. And let's say you want to show for category, right? You want to show different categories in different colors, so you could even do that. Further, we have the value axis, which is the matrix, and then we have the category axis, where you can add more than one category if you want to, if it doesn't makes your chart cluttered. Let's say you have deleted as well, right? Uh, Category and deleted. So it says all false, probably because in the top five it is like that. Let's say if we remove this, so yeah, it's all false. But you can definitely add more categories, more value access. You can do that. You can customize it as much as you want. You can do further formatting. Let's say the unit price is coming up like this. You want to make it currency with one decimal and using a short number format. So it would display a dollar in front of it. All right, and then we have labels, as we have seen, and different fonts, appearance. That's quite common. You can just keep on experimenting, and you would definitely go and reach the best bar chart that you want. Okay, now let's change this chart to a line chart. Let's have units in stock probably, and let's switch visualization to a line chart, and let's see this basis on order date, right? So, and let's remove the color by category because that looks pretty messed up. If it still looks a pretty messed up, what you can actually do is right click over here and show zoom slider, and then probably zoom into the date range that looks pretty neat to you. So you can create a line chart like this. A lot of exciting options as well over here in the properties. You can choose to do a line by, change the color settings, choose to see what all labels do you want. You want to show line identifiers if there are multiple colors that you have set in. Y-axis, x-axis, you can have multiple scales, show zoom slider, grid lines, and everything. So this is how you do a line chart. You can create a line chart directly from here as well, and you can maybe go to orders table and see a trend by employee, sum of free, right? So you can do it in this fashion. Now let's close these two charts and let's now go to a chart which is again very interesting, the combination chart. So we have a combination chart of sum of unit price versus category, but let's add units on order versus category, and let's show this units on order as line, right? So you see how it looks. And now let's also do a bit of customization and go to appearance and say show line markers. Yeah. So you see these dots coming in. And now let's go to labels and go for all. So do not go to show bar labels are checked in, and let's also show the line marker labels. So see how neat this visualization looks, and that's exactly what we were looking for, combination chart where you also have a bar and a line flowing along, right? So this is how it looks. This is the uh, the combination chart, and we've already covered the bar and the line chart. Let's have a look at further more charts in the next lecture.